Hi there, my name is Kharul and it is my backend project. This project is a user management REST API built using Node.js with Express and SQLite as the database. The goal is to provide simple backend server that support full CRUD operations, create, read, update, delete for managing users. I initialized the project with npm init and installed dependencies Express, SQLite 3 body and parser and NodeMoon for development. This project structure is modular. Server.js entry point, setup express and setup express and mount the routes. db.js handle SQLite connection and ensure user table exists. Route user.js define all user related endpoint. User db user here users.db SQLite database file create automatically. Database layer in the db.js, I connect SQLite and create user table if it does not exist. Here, if it does not exist, if it is exist, then I need not to create it. And it has the table has ID, name, email, and age. This ensures persistent storage of user data. Express in the server.js, I set up Express app and this I set up Express app and added body parser as a middleware to parse the JSON request bodies, mount user route at users, and start the server on port 3000. And API endpoint support, and in the user here we define in the users.js route user.js we define all APIs for like get user API with the searching and sorting, and the get user detail with a specific ID, and create a new user with post user API, and update the existing user detail and delete the existing users. We all define within the user.js file, and the server.http we test all endpoints like all test all APIs like you can say I used REST client extension in VS Code that tests endpoints. The server.http file contains ready to run request for demo for create user list, user search and sort, update and delete. The when send the request here get http a column 3000 slash users. When you send the request, it lists all the existing users available in the database will present there as a object. Now the we can get the user with search and sort. We can say the alias 4 we get the 4 3. So we get the users here. Now get user with a specific ID. When we send the request ID 4, then we get only the ID 4 we get the user only ID 4. Now when we for creating a new user, instead of giving alias I can give any new name, John, and you can say John, alias John, John. Now when send the request, the user will be new user will be created. Send the request, new user ID 5, the name John, and is So new user will created and added to the database. For updating users, we are updating here when say, using put request. When send the request to the server, then update it will be happen. Let's say instead of 3 we can update 5. id 5 we just created a new users. Now let's send the request. It's failing, so let's say John, let's see 4 and send it. It's raising some error. Let's what's happening here. Let me check. We let's say it's 3 updated. Alice, let's say Alice 2 not updated. Remove the update. Alice 2 and send the request. It's raising some error. Then next check the delete, send the request, and the 4 is deleted. Now let's, now 4 is updated automatically. I guess the two users created same id, that's why previously raising error. After deleting id 3, now it update appropriately. So now it's working correctly. For running the server, I've used npm run dev. First we have to npm install for installing all file listed here, and after that we have to run npm dev for running the server. After running the server, we can go to the server.http and check the endpoint API manually by sending the request. So it's solid. This project demonstrate clean modular design, project use of expression SQLite, RESTful API principle, error handling, and status codes are easy to testing, and it's solid foundation for any backend system that needs user management. Thank you.